Welcome to Lisa's Ladle, where we're cooking big in small places.
Hi guys, welcome to Lisa's Ladle. If you're new to this channel, you might find out what are some of the challenges you come across when you're cooking your favorite recipes in a boat galley. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today's exciting recipe is bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are 4 jalapeno peppers, half a cup of Fiesta cheese, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to use 8 toothpicks because we're cutting these bad boys in half. And then 4 slices of your favorite bacon. So let's get our aprons on and start cooking. You'll need to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. We want that oven piping hot for these piping hot jalapeno peppers. Say that 10 times really fast. Peter Piper picked a pickled peppers. All right, let's get this show on the road, guys. It is a great idea to wash your hands with soap and water after you cut, devein, and de-seed the jalapenos. If you don't, you regret it. Your fingers get hot and spicy. We are now ready to put our jalapenos together. I did slice them in half, deveined, de-seeded. When you're filling your jalapeno, you don't want to fill it too full, because it is going to puff a little in the oven. Nice little treat, especially if you use the little sword ones, the color for swords. How fun is that at a party? Let's pop these poppers in the oven for a good 10 minutes. If you have extra mix, you can make use this as a cheese ball, add some chives, green onion, pepper, that would be delicious, or serve it as is on a Triscuit, very good. Or get a few more jalapenos. I'm here by myself on the boat this week, so I think 8's more than enough. And there you have it, 8 delicious bacon wrapped popping peppers. This took us less than 30 minutes and made 8 poppers. So easy to double or even triple this recipe if you have a picnic or a holiday party that you'd like to attend, or a sundowner if you live on a boat like me. Thank you for watching, and as always, my friends, live, love, laugh. Most of all, lick that ladle. I'll keep cooking till I see you next time. And that's a bacon wrap. Delicious bacon.